We'll guide you through how to unprivate your TikTok account and make it not private. If you find this guide useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. A private TikTok account means you have to go and review who wants to go and follow you, and your account is entirely private. So, your people won't be able to go and see your content if they don't go and follow you. So what we can do is go and adjust this setting. It's super straightforward, and then you can go and start gaining followers and views and things like that. So to get started, come to your profile page. Then what you need to do is go to the top right and click on the three lines. You'll see this pop up at the bottom, and you need to click on settings and privacy. Then go into the account section and go and click on privacy. Right at the top here, you'll see the option of a private account. You can go and see what it means to have a private account. Click on the switch, and then what we can do is go and switch to a public account like so. It's that simple. And that's it. Of course, you can always make your account private again in the future. If you found this useful, then leave a like.